Today, learning and teaching are more borderless, timeless and ageless than ever before. The COVID-19 pandemic has arguably driven the biggest disruption to education, accelerating an evolution and catapulting us towards an education system that's accessible to anybody, anytime, anywhere. Educators across the globe are using this moment to springboard for further fast change, and so too are we. From 2023, Bett, the largest global gathering of the EdTech community, will welcome new partner events and products to create the most important and forward-thinking week for education. Learnit, the world's event for educator leaders, will move to the XL. Ahead by Bett, the event for higher education leaders accelerating disruption, will double in size. And our Hosted Leader programme will connect 1,500 global school, university and government leaders with education solution providers through one-to-one meetings, bringing these products, events and communities together at one time under one roof. These live events will be supplemented by a series of online community activities year-round, providing everything ambitious leaders and educators need to drive up standards of education in their institution and beyond. We hope you'll join us in 2023.